There is also the postgraduate level aspirants who have now their own woes as well. Dr. Yash Tekwani, come in and explain to our viewers what is the problem now with the results that have just been declared.
First of all, good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Yash Tekwani. I'm raising this issue on the behalf of NEET PG candidates who have, secured their scores yesterday. The result was released. Ranks are not released yet. But the thing is, many people are getting discrepancy of more than 100 to up to 200 marks in NEET PG examination, as they recalled from the various sources, and they were very sure that at least they can get up to this mark, but they are getting difference of more than 100 marks in their actual score, and we have at least more than 1,000 people facing the same discrepancy issue in this NEET PG score. And along with that, there are some people, like we are hearing that there are some people who got more marks than expected, but we don't have those sort of we don't have the information of those people right now. But there are more than 1,000 people who are actually claiming, and those who are very confirmed, that the scores of their NEET PG came unexpectedly low.
Okay, let me play the devil's advocate here, Dr. Namrata Singh, because a lot of people who have made it to the list would say that, look, we did work hard. I mean, a person in front of me, a student, can claim that they worked hard and the marks are lower. How do you justify these kind of claims, Dr. Namrata Singh?
Hi, ma'am. Am I not with you?
Yes.
So first of all, unlike NEET UG, NEET PG is an online exam, so we have no means whatsoever to actually check and correlate with the answer key. They don't even release an answer key. So there's no transparency whatsoever. We don't know what answers they have provided or what questions, right or wrong, we have done. And secondly, I completely agree with Dr. Yash. It's not only about few students, a large number of students are coming forward and saying that there is a large discrepancy between the marks. Now we can say either the many number of coaching institutes who have released a memory-based questions and answers are wrong, or a NEET PG themselves, what answer key they have made is wrong. But how we are going to check that? There's no transparency, na? We don't know what happened. Neither we can check. There is no re-evaluation system.
Okay. Just a quick answer from you, Tanvi, before I end this conversation. I mean, a lot of problems. NEET was supposed to be a professional, standardized model of examination. Is this something in your petition, seeking transparency, whether it be UG or PG?
Yes, certainly. As I said, that transparency is the very basis for such examinations. If a person is not provided with any substantive proof, whether it be a carbon copy in the case of NEET UG, or whether it be the answer sheets, they don't even get a question paper. So if I'm expecting 700 marks and if I end up getting 200 marks, there's actually nothing that I can compare my score with. So in absence of that protocol or that standard practice, a student is left helpless. So what about my natural justice principles? What about my fundamental rights? I gave an exam, came out from my center, and I'm left at the mercy of the authorities to be decided, what I'm going to score. So there's absolutely no record, unfortunately, that a person has. So if I end up getting 200, then I have no option but to sit and cry at home. Unfortunately, no one can really afford to go to the court also and approach the lawyers and exercise his fundamental rights. So I'm here talking about 1.7 lakh students in PG and 15 lakh odd students in NEET UG. That's a big number. So therefore, it's essential that we have a substantive investigation in such kind of cases.
And if we continue to go ahead with litigations after every results, after every exam, it's only going to add to the confusion. Kapil, a final word from you. How do you look at, in terms of the transparency issue? This does seem to be very messy.
I would expect NTA or some other authority